Hey, it's Chris with ROE Dental Laboratory, and I want to talk to people out there who are thinking about doing photogrammetry or a grammetry solution, or if you're already doing one, why not have a backup? We have a great product out there on our Grammetry line of products and services called the Archbridge. Now, there are multiple different systems out there for full arch that are direct to multi-unit abutment with the scan body system that uses just your intraoral scanner, and we want to throw our hat in the ring on this as well. So that's where we came up with the Archbridge. Now let me tell you a little bit about this. It is a series of 10 scan bodies, 9 unique scan bodies, and then a duplicate makes it the 10th. So we have 10 scan bodies. It comes with vortex screws, so 6 vortex screws, and the driver, and then your little hub, the thumb driver as well, comes with this kit. Now price-wise, give us a call. You will be shocked at what we're charging for this. It's a very, very competitive price. I think you'll be very pleased once you talk to us about this product. As far as the workflow, you're gonna do your standard photogrammetry or grammetry workflow, your pre-op scans, and then of course your post-op scans. You'll seat the arch bridges on each multi-unit abutment, and that's going to give us the exact positions we need to design your immediate load prosthesis for you to print in office. That can be scheduled right through us. We have a design service, hour or less turnaround time depending on the records, but it's a great service. And then, of course, transitioning into your final. We definitely want another scan of arch bridges post-healing, just like any photogrammetry workflow. But on that final, we can give you a nice titanium bar wrapped in zirconia. So beautiful final directly from the Archbridge scans on post-healing as well. All right, give us a call here at ROE Dental Lab. Check us out on our socials, and we look forward to working with you on your next photogrammetry or grammetry case. Remember, we have design services, and we can take you all the way to a final with our Archbridge solution. Looking forward to working with you.